Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I want to take you through my new work bag. I know it has been a minute since I posted on this channel, and so I'm so excited to be back. And I thought the best way to come back is with a work bag video, because you know we love our work bags. You know I love my work bag, and so I thought, let me come back and show you, introduce you to the current work bag I'm in, so that we can ease our way back into our channel. But I absolutely love it. I actually got this work bag recently for Christmas from Mike. It's the Kate Spade bag. I'm gonna put all the information to the bag down below, but I absolutely love it. One thing that sold me on it that I thought was so beautiful is that the tag here is actually the color of my new brand colors, which is a whole other video that we need to talk about. But that really was a nice little touch, along with, you know how much I love my classic black. So really was a great fit. But so let's jump into the bag so that I can show you all the details, and I hope you will enjoy. Okay friends, here is my new baby, my new work bag, which I've had since the holidays. I got it for Christmas from Mike. Absolutely love it. It's by Kate Spade. It's actually one of their newer bags. It's called the Kate Spade Manhattan Houndstooth, and this is the large tote. They do have it in a smaller tote, so if you're looking for something that's kind of a, you know, just a smaller version of this, they do have the smaller tote. This is a nice size work bag. You can fit everything that you need in it. It's also a great travel bag. I took it when I went to Mexico, but I will say, because of the Chanel fabric here, it is a little heavier. So if you're looking for a lighter weight work bag, this is not going to be the one, but this is going to be that work bag that is really durable and lasts you long. But because of the thickness of the fabric, it is a bit heavier than probably just an all leather handbag. So I did want to share that with you. Now, as far as the size of the handbag, it's 16.75 with the height. It's actually 13, and that's inches, 13.5 inches wide and 8 inches deep. It does come with the strap, beautiful strap with gold hardware, and it has a 20-inch hang. And then also the handle here. I love having the handle on my work bags because you can just, you know, kind of carry it over your arm really easy. And this right here, it's a black leather, and it has a 5.7-inch handle drop. So if that is important to you, or want just the kind of the details of the size, I definitely wanted to provide that to you. I'll also link this bag below. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I'll link this below in case you're interested. But one thing I want to do before I share with you how I organize this bag, I want to share with you the empty bag on the inside so that you can really get a feel for how it looks. So let's jump into that. Okay, so before we get into the organization, let's look inside this bag. So I will say that this is just a ton of work real estate for you, for your mobile office, your work bag. I love that I can just drop my things in here, grab them, but I have plenty of space. You do have the two pockets here that are actually four, because it's a dual pocket on each side. You have your zip pocket here with another pocket in front of that, and just plenty of room for everything you could possibly need for work, and a lot of real estate. Okay friends, let's jump into my specific work bag, and I want to share with you some tips also for your work bag. And one, make sure that you have a work bag that accommodates what you need in a work bag. It may be simply a backpack. It may be the smaller version of a tote like this. You know, whatever it is that you need to really transport your work, have a mobile office, you know, figure out kind of the size and the design that you need first of all, so that it really functions for you, because function is key. Function and beauty is key. Now, I do like for all my bags to have feet on the bottom. I think that it's great because it allows them to sit up properly when it's sitting on a table or the floor or wherever. It's also very aesthetically beautiful, but the function is there too. So that's something to think about with your bags, is to look and see if they have the feet, the metal feet. These have the beautiful gold feet at the bottom. But if you have a bag that does not have the feet and you want them, you can go on Amazon. I'll link some down below, where they do have them where you can put them on yourselves. If you don't feel confident doing that, I recommend like taking it to maybe a shoe shop or shoe repair shop or somewhere, or handbag repair shop, and having them put it on for you, especially if it's a pricier bag. My second tip is to think about the cleanliness of your bag. So you definitely want to put a little tool in there to help keep the dust bunnies out of there. And I want to share with you a little tool. It's this little ball here. It's so amazing because you throw it in the bottom of your bag and it stays in there, but it picks up all of the little dust and the lint and all of those things that, kind of draw itself to our bag. And you can open the ball and take out there's an internal ball in here, rinse it off when it gets too dusty, and then put it back in your bag. My sister-in-law actually sent this to me. It's just the neatest little tool for your work bag to keep it clean. Okay, friends, so the next essential for the work bag, or rather for my work bag, is my laptop, along with, I have it in this laptop sleeve that I got off Amazon. It's just really a basic but durable and great little sleeve to protect my laptop from getting scratched while it's in there with my other essentials. And it has a simple magnetic snap here. And it's not even a snap, it just kind of magnetically closes, but it gets the job done. I keep all of my kind of work bag essentials. Mostly you'll find that I have them in black. I really love black, but this sleeve is just really perfect for my work bag, and as you can see, fits in there perfectly. So the next essential that I have, of course, it is my planner. Can't go anywhere without it. I'm actually in this kind of HP mini size right now. It's from Cloth and Paper. I can do a walkthrough of my planner if you're interested. Let me know if you're interested in that video to see kind of my updated planner. This is the only thing that I'm carrying. You'll notice it's a little smaller than my A5, but I wanted something that was really easy to take on the go, and as I'm moving into this second business quarter, but I can definitely walk you through that. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in that, but that is definitely with me at all times, and I call it my personal assistant. The other item that I have is my business workbook. This is where I keep all of my work items that are like my reports and the things this is kind of like a working notebook for me. And so it has a little bit of everything that I use to run my business. You can see one of my new logos here. It is just, I absolutely love it. It's like the At Home with Nikki, all wrapped up into one. So you can see the A and the H and the N. I'll see if you can kind of see it in there. But I have that on the top. And this is just a simple disc bound that I got from Staples. I believe it's from the Martha Stewart line, but I think you have to go in store to get it. I don't know that they have these online. Every time I go online to get another one, they are totally out, because I wanted to use this for my resource book for the team, but so hard to come by now. But if you go in store, sometimes you can still find them. So that is also a must for me. So friends, there is one more notebook that I actually do keep with me in my work bag, and it is my training notebook. This is the notebook that as an entrepreneur, as an influencer, as an author, I'm always learning things, going to classes, all kinds of stuff. And so this is where all of my notes go from the various things that I go to. And so I'm always referencing it for some reason or another. I have my simple pen on the back so that when I'm training, I always have a pen that's ready to go. So even if I don't have my work bag with me, I have this kind of ready and prepped to go. And so that is one that stays in my work bag also. So friends, the next tip that I do want to share with you is when you're organizing your work bag, and this is not going to be new to anyone who has been with me for a while. I believe in kind of creating compartments, taking those zip bags, whether it's a makeup bag or whatever it is, to create your different categories of the things that you keep in your work bag. It just keeps your bag neat. It makes it easy when you need to get to your things. And it is just my tried and true method when I am organizing not only a work bag, but a handbag. And so one bag that I love to use within my work bag are the Austin Fowler bags. These little zip bags are so efficient. You get them in a set of 3, a small, medium, and large, and they are the best. I love that they have this, you can see through here in the front. It has the beautiful black and gold, their logo. It's just like, it actually plays off very well with the Kate Spade. They're just very beautiful, both beautiful brands. And so in this one here, this is kind of my stationery bag. This has all of my pens. I do keep my highlighters separately in here because I don't want to clutter up where my pens are, because I grab those all the time. But I keep all my different highlighters in this case here, and I got these little pencil cases off of Etsy years ago. I'll try to find it if you're interested. And then also all of my pens. I do have a small pair of my scissors in there, but this is just where all of those work tools, stationary tools go for my work bag. And I don't really put post-it notes and things like that in here because I have them in my planner, and so I don't really feel that I need that there. So it's basically just any work tools is what I keep in there. So my next category and my next bag of what I keep in my work bag is kind of just all of the self-care items, the things that I need, like my lippy, my Visine. I even use it to drop my jewelry because oftentimes when I'm working, I'll take my jewelry off, and so this is the place where it goes. Hand lotion. I also just kind of have my hand sanitizer. This is just where, you know, a little perfume, and this is just kind of where those items go. It's a little kind of not the most aesthetically beautiful. I do need to do probably a clean out of it, but this is just kind of where I keep those essentials. Again, the beautiful thing is these are the things that I need, but it's just beautifully contained in here so that I can easily get to it. Okay, friends, my next essential and next tip for your work bag is a place for that paper clutter. And this is one thing that really will make your handbag, work bag a mess. And it's those receipts and business cards and all of the paper that you get while you're out and about. And so having a home for those things makes it easy to kind of purge them in one place, but it really keeps your handbag from getting overwhelmed. This is the one that I grabbed from my Louis Vuitton. I had it in my Louis Vuitton one, but when I changed over, I actually just took it. You know, I love it because it's very thin, very simple, but I do want to find one in a black, the same design, same thin, but in a black to coordinate with the rest of the items in my bag. But for now, this is where I keep all of my receipts. If someone hands me a business card or anything, this is where it goes until I can go ahead and deal with all of that paper clutter. And the great thing is also it doesn't take up a lot of room. Next thing I always carry in my work bag, and you might know I have a few of these. These are my tripod for my phone so that if I'm filming or vlogging or anything I need to like put my camera on a stand, this is great. I got this off Amazon also, and I will share this with you, but it just simply has, it's kind of like a selfie stick. It has the legs on the bottom. And the thing that I will say that's great about this also is sometimes when I go downstairs and I'm working in the conference room or out and about, I will put my phone on here anyway, just to have it at a nice height level for me to see. Just a nice phone stand too. So this is, and it's very compact, and it also has a remote if you need to take those self-portraits, self-pictures and things like that. And that tucks in my handbag too. Okay, so the next item is a place for tech, the tech bag. And this is where I keep all the things like my chargers and anything that is tech related. It will go in this bag. And because I don't really carry a lot of tech anymore on me, I used to carry more than I did now. I just really keep it to a minimal, and it's basically just really my charging. Anything to really give me my charge is all that I need on the go. So friends, as you can see inside the bag, I have everything I need. And the next tip is it's just be sure to arrange your work bag so that you can really look in the bag. And this is how you know you have a successfully organized bag, when you can look in the bag and see all of your elements and easily get to it without touching a thing. Like if I need my tech, my charger, I know to grab it right here. My planner, I see it. I'm not having to dig around in my bag. So that is the key. And what helps it look just beautifully organized is if you make sure that your essentials coordinate. Like instead of having one red zip bag and one green, one black, have everything to be uniform somewhat with touches of a pretty metal of choice, such as gold or silver. And it really does add to the simplifying of what you visually see. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing my new work bag. I hope you are happy that we are back on this channel and you and I can get back to our videos. And definitely leave me a comment below and let me know some of the things that you're interested in talking about on this channel and interested in learning about on this channel. I also want to share with you that one of the things that I have been, well, two of the things that I have been working on while I've been in my absence is one, my 4th book is out, and it's not a book, it's actually a card deck, beautifully organized in 52 weeks. It helps you get your home organized by simply pulling one card a week, completing the task. All of the tasks are very simple to do in a week's time, but over that 52 weeks, you get your home organized in such an easy, fun, and simplified way. So I hope you will grab the cards. I will link those down below. So the second thing that I launched was my course for anyone looking to get into the professional organizing business. This is an all-inclusive course that shares with you not only how to start your business, but how to market your professional organizing business, how to work with clients, and also how to organize from the perspective of being an organizer, because there is a difference between organizing your home and organizing for a client. So I share with you the toolkit and everything you need as an organizer. So it is definitely a course that includes everything. And if you have a love for organizing, you do a great job at home, but you want to turn it into a business or a side hustle, definitely take that course, and I'll put the link in the description also. So friends, I hope that you all are doing great. I will see you in the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.